It's kind of like a fall look we was going for in this video. First thing, when you're going to do your makeup, you want to start off with skin prep. I use a serum and I use the moisturizer. Once you let that absorb in your skin, you're going to move on to primer. Your makeup will not peel. It won't do any weird stuff once you put on your primer. Eyeshadow brushes. So for this look, we're doing glitter. We're doing a fall look. So I'm using the ColourPop. We're using Big Mood, that brown, and then Friday Night. Start right here, and you're going to do circular motion and like a flicking motion, making like a sharp edge right here at the eye. You see what I'm talking about? This is the glitter we're going to be applying. Okay, it's a rose gold color. Like, I don't even know if you could see all the shift on this glitter. It is so beautiful. NYX glue. You're going to put that right in the center. Yeah, you're just going to be going back and forth, dipping and applying. Take that all the way to the front. Now, since you have your glitter on, repeat what you did before. That's all you're doing. Just for some definition. That's so amazing. So now I'm going to finish the other eye. Apply your foundation. You're going in with your bronzer. Just like defining your cheekbones. I just want to educate you guys and teach you everything because I get a lot of questions. You don't need a lot right here. Pay attention with this part. This is the blush we are using. If you have a round face, right here, it's very important. You could put your blush. I concealer like here, up underneath the eye, like a thin layer. To wet your sponge first, you're doing tapping motion like this. You're going to start at the bottom and then go straight up. And let's set. I'm going to set the entire face. Don't be coming to me and tell me you can't do this. You did that. House Lab bronzer, doing a C. So here, and then from here, go back and then go underneath the jawline. Make your face skinny. The Charlotte bronzer. This is going to make your nose look so tiny. MAC Fix Plus, just to set and lock everything in. And wipe off your lip plumper. Makeup Forever lip liner. You carve your lips out. Define your pupils bow. This is going to make your lips really good. Nice and fat. Rub your lips together to blend. Two different nude. One is from MAC and one is ColourPop. That right in the center. The MAC Velvet Teddy. You could totally wear it like this. From ColourPop. And put that directly in the center. This is just going to lighten that up. You could go back over the line. You know, make it nice and defined. Maybelline Build a Brow. Got a small tip. Flick it up. On the other side, they have a gel. So you could go ahead and set. Take your time when you do your mascara. Your brightening powder, if you feel like you need some more brightness under your eye. I hope you enjoy your highlighter. You put your blush, do you see that? Right on top, you want to put this highlighter. On the other side, to the tip of the nose. You could even do some right here too. Because when you move your head to the light, that's going to show up right underneath that brow. I hope you have an amazing time. Bye. Love you.